Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together. It's Qora Digital Cash again, and of course from my last three videos that I posted on the channel on the topic how to use stop loss to trail boom and crash. Okay, I've been getting so many messages on it. Okay, I've been getting amazing screenshot, amazing results of subscribers right from there. It shows that you guys are actually taking advantage of this opportunity to make this market, the market successfully. Okay, I'm really happy about you guys results. Okay, so I'm really happy about that. So we'll continue from there, and of course this time around we'll be looking at the spiky part of it. For the last three videos that I've posted on this particular topic, we looked at the normal trend. We treated the topic on the normal trend, but this time around we'll be looking at the spiky part and how we can use stop loss to hold on to the profit till the very end of the trend. Okay, these are some of the things that we will be checking out in this video. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the Forex niche. All you need to do is just to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, and of course do your personal practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. This is very important, and if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell to all notifications. That way you all will be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Like I said earlier on, we want to see how we can use stop loss to trade boom and crash successfully. We started this topic about 3 days ago, and of course guys, if you missed the previous episode on this particular topic, you can go back to the channel and watch them. Okay, but this time around we'll be looking at the spiky part of it. Okay, just like you guys have known, okay, spike always happens suddenly. Okay, it can be going, for instance, boom can be going in this direction for a very long time, and you just did the spike, you see the spike popping out suddenly. Okay, and it can claim so many candles right from there. Okay, you can imagine this part. Let me pick up this. You can see this part going down, and this single spike actually claimed all the candles at a go. Okay, so that is very important. So this is what we're trying to avoid, and but this time around, let's see how we can trade the spike and use the stop loss to trail it up right from the beginning of the trend to the very end of the trend. Okay, and it is the best part, the best way to use stop loss to trade boom and crash is when you are trading the spike, because stop loss is going to control the market at that particular point. Okay, it's going to control the market at that particular point. Once it gets to the stop loss, it will close the trade for you. It's not going to push the stop loss backward at all, because you are trading spike. Okay, the bearish candle in boom is not coming with force. The same thing is applicable to crash. The bullish candle in crash is not also coming with force, unlike when you are trading the other way around. Okay, so that is very important. So quickly, let's go straight into how we can do this. Okay, first of all, I will ask us to start from 5-minute time frame, and you can also use 15-minute time frame. Then the first thing you should also know is the trend. You need to know the right trend to trade the asset. Okay, if you are trading boom, the spiky part of boom is based on when the market is on uptrend, while the spiky part of crash is based on when the market is on downtrend. Okay, and it is very important you start from the support zone for boom, while it is very important to start from the resistance zone for crash. Okay, and so far you are within the right trend. Every support zone is very important for boom, but for crash, so far you are doing it within the right trend. You are trading within the right trend, then every resistance zone is very important. So, and these are some of the things you need to take note of in order to trade the asset successfully. Okay, so quickly I will be bringing in another horizontal line to do our analysis. Okay, so let's say we are coming in right from here. You can see it has been on downtrend before, got to this support zone. It is a major one. Of course, we don't know if it's going to break out from there, but it is most likely we have a pullback right from there, and we had a pullback. You can see the pullback. It went back again to try it out, but was unable to break through. Okay, this time around we had our buy-in signal. Okay, so which means we should place our order right here. Okay, so this is where our opening order is. You can see it right here, and of course, like I always tell you, just follow the signal that supports the trend. It has gotten to a major support zone already, and it has given us our buy signal, so it shows that the market is going back on uptrend at that particular point. Okay, so let's say this is the current action price, picked up from our entry point, spiked up to this level, spiked up again, and of course this is 5-minute time frame. Like I always tell you, starts with 5 minutes time frame. So this single candle is not a candle that I mean, it didn't just happen. Okay, this single spike didn't just happen like that. It must have been like 2 to 3 spikes to form up this candle. Okay, so now let's say it spiked up to this level. Okay, it has given us the opportunity to make some profits already. All we need to do is to introduce our stop loss at this point, put it at the middle. Okay, divide it into 2 equal parts, put it at the middle, and let's see what will happen. It spiked up again and spiked up again, got to this region. Okay, you can still take it up to the middle. Okay, right here it went up till it got to this region, but here is the resistance zone. You can see it was unable to pull through. It came down. If it had come down, let's say the stop loss, okay, right here the stop loss is not at this point. Okay, but let's say the stop loss is at this point. If it had come down and had gotten to the stop loss, even if it goes beyond the stop loss, okay, once it gets to the stop loss, it won't push the stop loss backward. It will only close the trade for you, and the profit between there and here will go straight to your balance. Okay, but in this situation, this is where the stop loss is, so it didn't get to the stop loss before going back up again. So it started going up, came down, went up again till it got to this region. At this stage, I expect you to adjust your stop loss to the middle. Okay, to the middle. This is the middle. Okay, so it came down a bit, went back up and up. Okay, so at this stage you should take it down to the middle. Okay, and okay, instead of you putting it I mean dividing the margin into 2 equal parts, then I will advise you to have more space for yourself, I mean, to lock up your profits. Okay, because at this stage you want to make more profit, and the market is almost going to the end. Okay, I mean the trend is almost going to the end, so let the profit margin that you are locking up be more than the one you are exposing to the market at this stage, so you have nothing to lose if it gets to your stop loss. Okay, all you just need to do is just to have your profit, I mean to have more profit to yourself than the amount you are exposing to the market. Okay, so right here it came down, went back up and up and up, and right here it has gotten to a major resistance zone, so you can as well close your trade here. And if you did not close your trade here, you can as well adjust your stop loss upward till it gets to this level. Okay, right here you have more profit to yourself. Okay, you are locking up more profit right here, because the profit you are locking up is between your stop loss and your entry point. You can see that is large enough for you to have made to have met up with your daily targeted profit. Okay, and it started coming down and down and down. Of course, we should expect it to come down because it is at a major resistance zone. So if it is not reversing the price action totally, then it should be pulling back. Okay, it came down till it got to the stop loss, and at that stage it's going to kick you out of the market. Okay, with the rest of your profits going to your balance. Okay, that is how it works. Okay, so you can see how easy it is to use the stop loss to milk the market whenever you are trading spikes right from the beginning of the trend till the very end of the trend. It is very easy whenever you are trading spike. Okay, it is very easy to use stop loss whenever you are trading spike than for you to be trading the normal trend. Okay, so that is how beautiful this is. So I want you guys to go back to your chart, have this setup here on your chart, make sure you are able to identify the trend. If you're unable to identify the trend, just have this setup. I'm begging you about this. Just have this setup. Once you have this setup, you will know the right trend to follow. Okay, if you are not having the setup and you don't want to get the setup right now, you can always use all that setup. Okay, it all depends on the one you have, but this is making it very easy for you to use. You can see right here the bright green or yellowish flag. It's showing that the market is on uptrend. So at this stage, you should expect more of spiky movement than the normal trend. Okay, when it is red like this, it shows that the market is on downtrend. So at this stage, you should expect more of a crashing candles. I mean, more of a bearish candle than the bullish candle. So all these are very important. So once you are able to put all these into place, then you will be able to milk the market successfully for a very long time. That is why most of my subscribers are really happy about this particular indicator. So guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. If you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell to all notifications. That way you all will be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.